Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, this week it's still hot, so questions came in about the refrigerators. And before I get to the refrigerators, if you like what you see, go ahead and click the subscribe button right here. Now, can you make a little dingy, 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 ding? Yeah. Click the bell. Smash it. Smash the like button. Thank you. Hey, so-and-so asked, what happens when my fins freeze up and how do I fix it? Well, especially in today's heat, let's go over how the back of your refrigerator fins, if you have an absorption-style refrigerator, can freeze up. Now, in all cases, if that is freezing up, what you have is a lot of moisture inside the refrigerator. Now, if a refrigerator is actually set up correctly, it should be a sealed system. When you close that door, there should be no air entering into it. Now, all absorption-style refrigerators have a drip tube, and if you look carefully at the end of that drip tube, there should be a cap. Now, if you have a lot of frost showing up on your condenser coils, ice back there, it could be that that cap is off. When that cap is off, warm air is being introduced into the system. Okay, so make sure that that cap is on. If the cap is off, a quick little trick that you can fix it until the cap comes back is to create a P-trap. Take the tube, wrap it around a circle, and then of course just put a little zip tie on there. The water will drip down and will begin to fill up that little P-trap area. No air can get inside. All right, now another thing would be go ahead and check your seals. If your seals are actually leaking, you're going to get air in. Okay, so you want to go ahead and clean that. Make sure not only when you clean the seals, but clean off around the door. Last thing is it could be the way you store your food. You never want to take your hot food and stick it in the refrigerator. All that steam is releasing, of course, moisture, and that's going to show up on the fins. So do what you can to limit how many leftovers you put in there, right? So one thing to do is stop cooking so much food. That's just not the way an absorption-style refrigerator works. All right, so quick and simple tips. Make sure that that cap is on your drip tube. Make sure that your seals are properly closed and keep the door closed. Don't go shopping. Put your food in. Limit how much hot food you put inside. And there's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to NRVTechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
My future depends on it. We hired a new guy that we have no money to pay. Oh, it's so hot. So, asked, what happens when the rear side of I don't even know what I'm saying. People don't know how to search, so I got to do it again. If you watch all the videos, I've already shown you how to fix everything on the RV. Now, all absorption-style refrigerators do have a drip tube. Damn. Now, if the cap isn't on, a quick little trick that you can do is simply take that.
Oh, they're all down here.
Welcome to Todd's 20-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the Can't Shut Up.